Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the description of that video. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see, guys, here today, it happened a green day again. And here the market, it gave us something new here. Let's focus it together and we see it what it gave us here. Look here with me. Look at the 3 candles. That one, and that one. People, they are in my technical analysis course. They know that 3 candles very well. The 3 candles, the name of them is continuation pattern. Remember that the 3 candles, the name of them is continuation pattern. It's always happen like that. Here, that is indicating the market is going to continue. Should we interlong now? No, we don't need to interlong. Here in the daily, we don't need to interlong. Why? You remember what I told you. We got here, down, a line like that. And here in the top, like that. That's it. And also we're still waiting where it's going to be broken. It needs to come to break for us up here for us to know the market is going more higher. Yes or no? Because that level here, it's very stronger level. Until now, we couldn't break it. So we need to break it that level here. Yes or no? People, they've been with us for some time now. They remember all those things I'm going to say now. When the Bitcoin fall down here, we said it. We said buy 20% of your capital here when we touching the 50 moving average or the simple moving average. And we said the other 50% we leave it to buy from down here. Yes or no? Why also we said we buying 20% from here and 50% from here? I'm going to show you why. We said also we are going to buy 20% from there because look at it here. You came down here and you drawing a line like that or a uptrend like that. What you got? Look with me here. You got that level here and the one here. Yes or no? You are in an uptrend. And another thing we got here, we got in the top here. That's what also we said before. We're drawing here like that. What that giving us? It gives us here a up channel, yes or no? Very clear up channel. We touch the top of it here, in that zone here, as you see it. Now, either from here is going to fall down to touch the lower here. Then after that, it's going to continue upward. Or it's going to break that channel here. And it's going to go more higher. So also we put in all the scenarios now. Yes or no? So what is it the scenarios also we have here? We got here that megaphone here like that. Very clear megaphone here. If it's getting broke here, that's when the market is going to continue upward. If it fall down here in the 200 moving average, also we are going to buy again. Why me? I'm still believing there is that correction going to come. Because of one thing, look with me here. I'm going to explain it to you here. Look with me very close. What else we said? People, they been with us. Why else we buy from 15k? Why? Because of that Wyckoff pattern here. Yes or no? You remember it? That Wyckoff pattern, what it's saying? It gave us here a false breakout here. That way also we buy from 15k. And that Wyckoff pattern, what it's saying? It's need the Bitcoin to break here. Then after that to go back to touch here. Then after that to go back up and to break for us that last high, which is here. Did you do that? We are very close, but we haven't done all that. Look with me here, very close. Us, we're breaking here that level. Yes or no? We go up till here now. Now what is left? It's left us to come back to touch here. Then after that to go up and to break for us that last high. That one, that part here, we haven't came with touching here, that level here from the top. Because when a resistance getting broke is going to become support. Until now it doesn't prove to us over here that resistance here it's become a support. Yes or no, guys? Now what shall we do? Because that one is just technical analysis, guys. It will not go back here. It might from here also we are going to go more higher. What shall we do now? I just give you here that megaphone here, that one here. It needs to be broke here. If it's broke here, it's going to break for us even that level here. Look at it. You see it or no? That level here, it's very stronger. It needs to be broke even that level here. Then also we're going to enter long. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got something special for all the day, but we got very important news, guys. It's going to come that one. The core PCI price index. That one is the inflation the Fed follow. You need to remember that the inflation the Fed follow. So tomorrow you need to be careful, guys, and I'm going to tell you why you need to be careful when we go to the 4 hours. Another thing we got here is our friend, the table of us, as we follow every day. Actually today it become a very green day for your stocks because of the Meta or Facebook company. The earning of them, it came very good. That way you see a green day happening today in the stock market. And as you see it, all the US stocks, they closing today green. As you see, the Dow, the SP, the Nasdaq, all of them, they closing a green day. And here the VIX, it go back down. The VIX is go back. Yesterday we used to be 18, today we are 17. So all those days, also we are in a very good moment for long-term investors. Or the VIX is below the 20. That means currency is very low. All that is good news. And here the US dollar, it stay here in that 101. It will not move. It's staying here now for long now, that 3 weeks now. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for wing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, yes you. Did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now. Yes, you. Pause the video now, smash that like button, is only down, a thumbs up, click at it, and write with it a comment, please. Tell us your thought, where's the Bitcoin it will go. Tell us what is it you view to the market. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So here what we said here. You remember what I told you here? I told you the market he tried to give us here a cup and handle. He give it to us. Look at it. You see it or no? When I draw in the top of it now, what it give me here. Look now. We got here a very clear cup and handle, guys. You see it or no? Over here, I draw again next to it. Look here. What you got here? You see it or no? Look here. That's the handle. Now I want to show you how to trade it. If it's breaking above, you bring in here a line like that. And in the place where it's going to be broken, you make it up. Now what should we do here at 4 hours? I'm going to explain to you what you should do. What else we said in the last video? We said here, like that. Yes or no? You can find it in the thumbnail of the video. In the last video, we do it like that. We said we got here a triangle. The triangle getting broke? No, it hasn't getting broke. Look at it. We came here to that level here and we couldn't break it. Should we enter long here in the 4 hours? No, there is no entry long yet. We need to wait in more, guys, till the break happening here. If we don't break in here, there is no entry. And what did I tell you just now in the economical news? Will come in today, or economical data will come in today. I told you at 12:30 GMT time is going to come the PCI, that meant the inflation or the inflation indicator, the Fed members they follow. So if it came good, that meant also we are going to break here. If it came bad, that meant also we are going to fall down and to break down here. Same price action is staying there. Yes or no? So now what should you do? You just wait. I just show you got 2 price actions here. You got here that cup and handle here like that. You can even add to it here a head and shoulder like that, because even here you can have here a shoulder as you see it, and that shoulder, the neckline of it is going to be here. Yes or no? That's the first scenario. Second scenario, just show it to you. You got here a cup and handle. Third scenario, what is it? You got here a triangle or a wedge. Name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade them, guys. It's our indicator. What it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, look at it. It came here. It touched here. That level here, then it fell down here. Now where we are here in the level where is the bulls they controlling. There is no bears yet. Should we enter short? No, there is no entry short. Another thing very important, if you came here and you draw in here a line like that, what you seeing? Look with me here from that one and that one. That one here is being the fake out. Now you are in it here again. Now what should you do? You need to be careful what's going to happen. Either we're going to fall down to break here and just show you the price actions you got, or we're going to break that one here and we're going to go more high to the overbought. What shall we do? We need to wait. That's it. Also, we are in an uptrend, yes. Our indicator is telling us also we are in a bull market, not in a bear market. Everything is too clear, guys? Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it's near to enter here to the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, there is no entry short now. Just show you all the price actions you got here. Look at it. Look at it. You see it or no? That the triangle I just show you. That the head and shoulder I just show you here. It's not clear here, but that the head and shoulder here. Another thing, if that one fall down here, what is going to give you here? It's going to give you a double top, guys. To see it very clear, you change it from candles to lines like that. You see it or no? Look with me here. Let's zoom it a little bit to see it very clear. You see it or no? Look here. Here, what the market done? It go up, then it fall down here. Now it go up. Yes or no? Now, if it fall down like that, what is going to give you a double top, a M, name it, whatever you want. So the neckline for that one is going to be down here. You see it or no? That one, even that one, you need to be focused about it. Everything is too clear, guys? So now here, what should you do? Nothing. You need to wait in where it's going to break. Either we're breaking above here and also we're going to go more higher, or we're going to fall down and we're breaking down here, that level here, and we're going to enter short tail. Now there is nothing, so we need to wait in more. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Look here. That double top I told you in the 4 hours. How is it here? Very clear here in 30 minutes. If it fall down that one like that, I'm breaking here, it's going to fall down more, guys. Should we enter short now here in 30 minutes? Here at that level where we are? No. Here, you came here to that peak, that one, and that one. Or you can even came to that one. But that one, if you came here, it's going to be very sharp. And that one is the candle of squeeze. So you don't need to be focused about it. The most important to do like that. You came from here. That squeeze here, you cancel it. You see it how I done it? In the top, you came like that to that one and you connecting them by a line like that. So what you got here, you got a symmetric triangle here in 30 minutes. Me I'm talking just for scalpers and day traders. If it came down and breaking down here, you enter short. If it came down and breaking above here, you enter long, guys. Remember those things. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area, and we got down here a very stronger divergence line like that. Yes or no? And our indicator is it here at the overbought area. What shall we do? I just show you the price action you got. You got that one here and that one from here. You see it or no? You got here a symmetric triangle and you're waiting if it's getting broke here. You enter short, take profit of it. Need to be just here in that squeeze place, or when it's touching here the trend line. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.